Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn how we can create a book online. Yes, you heard right. In this video I am about to tell you how you can make your own book for free. Okay, so welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. So I was telling you that in today's video I am about to tell you how you can make a free book, free ebook. Okay, so I am about to share a tool with you. That tool name is BookBaby, a very good website from where you can print your books, you can publish your books. Okay, there are ebook services, editing services, book designs, you can sell your book as well, and you can learn as well many things. Plus there are books templates as well. So I'm telling you here how you will make your book. Okay, how you can create a eye-catching book for you. So first you have to click on make your book, and this page will open in front of you. In first option you can select anyone. If you want ebooks, click ebook. If you want printed books and ebooks, then click on this option. If you want printed books, then click on this one. So I want ebooks, so I will click on ebooks. Then there is an option, you can select any one of them according to your need. I will click on business and self-help, and the page limit of my book, let's say, is 150. You can select any one of them according to your requirement. I will click here submitting now, and it will take me to this page. As you can see, there are different options coming on left side: ebook distribution, formatting, cover design, ebooks, file conversion, image ebooks recommended for you, and safe audio. These are the 8 steps which we will be following to make our free book. On right side you can see there is a price and other options are given which you can also edit. So first we will go first we have the option here: do you need an ebook distribution, yes or no? There is an option. So I will select the first one. I will click on next. You can select any one of them. Do you need text formatting? Sorry, yes, I need. I will click on next. Now it's asking me, do you need cover design? Basic cover design. I am supplying my ebook cover. Do you like? It's not free, so we'll go for free version which is available. You can buy as well. It's totally on you. Then there is option, do you need ebook ISBN? I already have, I don't need any ISBN. Otherwise, if you want ISBN, so you have to then buy it. Okay, so I will go for free option. So next is, what kind of layout does your ebook need? Dynamic layout for text-based ebooks or fixed laybooks for graphic design? I will go for dynamic, and I will click on next. Now I will click on next. It's asking me, does your ebook have images? My book has no images. Click on next. Do you need extra book promotion? For meta tag optimization is charging us $99. Otherwise the remaining 3 are free. So I will not go for this. I will go for I will select any one of them. I will skip it, that's skippable. So next option is save your project. Look in your price now by saving your code. You can also save a price code on which you want to sell your ebook. It can be any price which is according to you. I will click on save. Project name is self-help, and I will save it in front of you, and with blink of an eye it will be saved automatically. As you can see, it's been saved. Now what I have to do here, username and password. If I don't have password or username, I can simply create my account here in BookBaby, and I will easily download my ebook which I just prepared in front of you. So learners, I hope you learned in this video how you can create an ebook for free for you, how you can sell a book, and how you can publish an ebook for free. So I hope you learned in this video. If you learned from this video, then do like it. If you haven't learned anything, and do dislike it, there is no issue. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press on bell icon to get latest notification. So that's it for today.